Pearlsona couldn't carry a tune. Despite her lack of musical talent, Pearlsona refused to give up. She practiced day and night, experimenting with different melodies and harmonies. One day during a performance, in front of her fellow monsters, Pearlsona unleashed a series of hilariously off-key notes. To her surprise, the audience burst into laughter and applause. Pearlsona's fame spread far and wide, attracting monsters from all corners of the monster world to witness her hilarious and endearing performances. She became a symbol of individuality and self-expression, inspiring other monsters to embrace their own unique talents and quirks. Pearlsona's shows were always filled with laughter and joy, creating an atmosphere of unity among the monster community. Webbuck's a legendary creature from my singing monsters. Yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay. Yay. Legend has it that Webbuck was born from the convergence of lightning and ancient melodies, granting it incredible musical abilities. Its deep resonant tones has not smoked. Epic Webbuck, a legendary figure in the world of my singing monsters, possessed an unmatched presence and a powerful musical energy. Legend spoke of its ability to unite all the different monster tribes through its mesmerizing webs and booming beats. In the mystical realm of my singing monsters, there existed a group of tiny, yet incredibly charming creatures known as dipsters. These adorable beings had a unique talent for creating delightful melodies with their synchronized chirps and harmonious whistles. Legends spoke of a magical encounter when a young monster stumbled upon the dipsters' gathering. Mesmerized by their enchanting melodies, the monster couldn't help but join in, adding its own voice to the harmonious chorus. To this day, the dipsters continue to fill the monster world with their joyful melodies, creating a symphony of happiness wherever they go. Their story serves as a reminder that even the tiniest voices can bring immense joy and harmony to the world around us.